Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet 50 class 9 science 4th 2nd October. As you know that your chapter tissue is going on, today we will discuss about the animal tissue, that is epithelium. So what is epithelium? Does our body gets protected from outside by tissue like plants? Gyan is asking. Yes, there is a kind of epithelial tissue that covers body and provide protection from outside, and the main function of it is to cover the body, internal organs and cavities within the body. It forms a barrier to keep different body systems separate. So the epithelial tissue is the one which is covering the body and provide protection from outside. Therefore it provides protection to the body. The skin, the lining of mouth and blood vessels and lungs, alveoli, etc. are all made up of epithelial tissue. There are 4 types of epithelial tissue: squamous, cuboidal, columnar, stratified and glandular. Actually cuboidal and glandular comes under the same, so you can write it is of 4 types when it comes to, so you can write any 4 types. Next is squamous, epithelial and stratified. Squamous, they are extremely thin and flat and form a delicate lining, the inner lining of mouth. Esophagus, cell, lining of blood vessels or alveoli where diffusion occurs. The squamous epithelial of skin are arranged in many layers form the stratified squamous epithelial. They help in the for wear and tear. Columnar, as you can say, they like columns where absorption and secretion occurs. They are found there, like inner lining of intestine, respiratory tract, etc. And the cell of column type. The main function is they are present in respiratory tract in the form of hair-like projection called cilia, and they help in the movement of mucus out of your respiratory tract. They are also known as the ciliated columnar epithelium because they are having the cilia. That's why they are called the ciliated epithelium. Next is cuboidal. The cuboidal cells of this tissue forms inner lining of the duct of salivary gland and kidney tubules. They provide the mechanical strength to them, and the cell often act as a gland and secrete substances like epithelial surface. Now glandular epithelium are just like cuboidal when they fold inside and forms a gland. The main function is the secretion, example in saliva, sweat, mucus and tears. Let's see the question answers. What are the function of epithelial and where they are located? Epithelial tissue covers the body and provide protection from outside. Their main function is to cover the body, internal organs and cavity within, forms a and barrier to keep the body system separate. Therefore it provides protection to the body, and it is found in the inner lining of your respiratory tract and many other organs. Second is, what are the different types of epithelial tissue? You can write squamous, cuboidal, columnar, stratified and glandular. Question number 3. Where is columnar epithelium located? It is found where the absorption and secretion occurs in the inner lining of the intestine and respiratory tract. Function: the columnar epithelial cell in respiratory tract has hair-like projection called cilia, which helps in the movement of the mucus of the tract. Question number 4. Differentiate between glandular and cuboidal. You can see cuboidal, these cuboidal cells of the tissue form inner lining of the duct of salivary gland and kidney tubule. They provide mechanical strength and the cell often act as a glands. Glandular is a portion of the cuboidal epithelial tissue folds inwards and multicellular gland is formed. It secretes many types of substances, example saliva, sweat and mucus. So these are the difference, and these are the question answers complete. Hope you like the worksheet. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.